Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. JavaScript where to? The script tag. In HTML, JavaScript code is inserted between script start and script and tags. For example, we have this JavaScript code which is inserted inside script HTML elements. Let me write once again. Script sub JavaScript code. Note that JavaScript is case sensitive. And script tag. Now I am going to comment this old code and going to run my newly written code. Yes, it is here. JavaScript's functions and events. A JavaScript function is a block of JavaScript code that can be executed when called for. For example, a function can be called when an event occurs, like when user clicks a button. JavaScript in head or body tag. You can place any number of scripts in an HTML document. Scripts can be placed in the body or in the head section of an HTML page, or in both. JavaScript in head. In this example, a JavaScript function is placed in the head section of an HTML page. This function is invoked called when a button is clicked. In this example, we have a script tag inside the head and a function is defined. Let me tell you about the syntax of this function. We have this function keyword and name of function, then any parameter if we pass it. Right now I am not passing any parameter. Then start and end braces, curly braces. Inside this function we will write the code of JavaScript that will be executed. Note that the JavaScript code is case sensitive. What this code is doing is taking the document dot get element by id and inside the id name, and after it is calling the inner HTML property. Then we are assigning is equal to some new paragraph value which is inside double quotes or single quotes and behaving as a string data type. I am deleting this function. Now using this function on our button on click event. When I run this example and click on the try it button, it will change the value of paragraph. External JavaScript. Scripts can be also placed in external file as like we did external CSS. For that purpose, we create a file with the extension .js. Inside that we will write down the code of JavaScript, but we will not include script element in that file. Script and then its source attribute, and we will link that file of JavaScript where it is located. We will not write anything in between script tag and then we will add the tag. It will fetch the content of this file and automatically insert between these script start and end tags. An external script can be referenced in three different ways. Write a full URL, a full web address with a file path like js slash folder name and slash file name without any path.